fry. We don't fry after a certain age, you know. We air fry. God, the high blood pressure. People, see the breakfast there? We steam a chocho, you see? See the two hosts there. Thank you guys so much. I not eat without on the heat with me. We do everything together. So this is what it's like living after retiring. You're a calabash kind of lady.
I'll take mine on a calabash as well.
So I'll try to get both for me. For Koyeto. Because me and you eat out a plate. Give me 4 of the crackers then, please. Want to have butter?
No.
Alright.
I don't really care about butter.
The wheat crackers are in the car. You want those?
Yeah, it's the wheat me like, but it's shop never have any.
Yeah, man.
The green ones?
You have the keys?
You have it.
It's
I'll
probably
look for it.
in my
I'll look for it.
black bag.
Yeah.
Well, look on when you eat out a calabash.
Calabash, we say.
So no matter how hot it is very organic, right?
Yep. From the ground to your belly.
So I want to plant the pop chow then.
My brother.
So your brother close by. Want to meet your family. Your brother close by.
Mm-hmm.
So you bring a lot of food and thing.
Your mom always bring something.
Is it the same brother that introduced you?
Yeah.
In the about picker. In the about close by. Okay. So I'll go check him. Once you come a door. Let me bless the food. You can't even bless the food, Marcy. What is that? Marcy, out hard, you know. Give thanks to the Almighty. Boom! That is it.
Boom shakalaka, boom boom
That
boom.
is it. See the people. I'm being treated royally in Portland by my returning resident friends and family. I'm gonna make them meet more people. We're gonna develop a nice family. And we're gonna plan together and live together and show Jamaica. When we forward back, I will be
From the ground to your belly.
oatmeal food, please. You see, I literally have a piece of breadfruit where you air fry with this.
I know breadfruit time.
Yeah, man, I'm over there. A man take up here breadfruit.
Oh.
You see, if you did have some breadfruit with this. Yes, people. So, what are your daily routine after you go to the farm? Gonna retire now. Now that you're gonna retire, what these people have to look, they walk the dogs. You take things slow. What you gonna do?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
If you wasn't here,
Mm-hmm.
after I eat this,
Yeah.
I'll stay and watch sofa.
Yeah.
Probably stay up there until 4 o'clock. And if I'm hungry, I will come downstairs and see what he cooked. Or he'll bring the food upstairs to me.
So you just rest up.
I have my days where I do nothing.
After working so hard all your life, you know, in Tableau, you know, the gossip are no problem with yours.
Yeah, we don't talk much, we just stay together.
Are you taking any medication
I'm taking medication, yeah.
for high blood pressure?
Yes.
You still eating rice? Let me talk to Pico now. I go chief the rice from you. No more rice. You eat burger?
No.
I go start eat burger. Quinoa and chickpeas.
Okay.
Alright, we brought some chickpeas. I'll go cook for you. Oh, I'll make sure so you're ready.
Whatever pick I cook, I will eat it.
Alright, Pika, I hear the thing. I train Pika in a seamless blend with arrowroot for your sugar. No more rice.
I'm pre-diabetic.
No more white sugar.
That was emergency. That was an emergency, right, Pekka? We went and we didn't get any sugar at the shop because that's another difficulty that I find. Anything that you want, you have to go into Port Antonio. And if you're here and you need something quick, you can't have it. You have to get where you get. Right.
When it comes to Portland. If you St. Mary, if you want to FedEx something, you free pick up bun. That's one way I love my beer now. Everything's 7 minutes away. And the farm too. So I find the farm, I find the seaside, I find the shipping company, I find the shopping mall, them movie theater, wait till you come. So
I know that.
even though I love Portland and love St. Mary, when it comes to, me have a little corner shop in the neighborhood. So it's like leaving New York, but not leaving, but leaving.
I understand all of that. It frustrates me a lot.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Because people can say country are the best life, but
It's
like me said to
convenient.
Pika, me need wholesale rum. He said, I have to go Port Antonio. That's at 25 minutes or 30, right? Just forget rum,
Mr. Brown,
wholesale.
sell it wholesale.
And you know, take no debit card. Just it.
You can get it up the road, but you have to have cash.
Just it.
That's the problem.
No. In the hospital, they're on here.
Port Antonio.
I'm going to get that.
So,
If you're sick, there is no medical center nearby. People can't ambulance up here? No way they
I've
right.
never seen an ambulance here.
So if anybody gets sick around here, so
You have to put
Taxi.
quick.
taxi. You're dead.
So then when I have a first aid kit, we don't know.
Some people. Not like local people.
Angela,
We have what we need.
we'll get you a first aid kit. You have to have bandage, EpiPen. Remember I said Jamaica, if you're there, you want it, you know.
Yeah.
And you have to know CPR. You know CPR?
Can do it.
Yeah. She's the expert. Queen, you know CPR? Alright, you have to go learn, you
You know
know.
for do a thing, you know?
Because if me drop, you know, you have to go.
You know for try a thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's two different kinds of CPR. The adult CPR and the infant CPR.
You see, the community couldn't come together get two containers for medical balancing, you know?
No, they wouldn't do that.
They're not into.
They're not into that. They rather die.
How would you?
Or they go to the Obia man and say,
Will be a man. Wrong
Them,
yourself.
them big pan over man around there, so.
they believe in it. They
Oh,
rather, they go to
over
the Obia
Jesus?
Man. Yeah. They go to the Obia man first, then they go to the doctor.
But bush doctor, them call him, not really obia man. Because the real thing, you know. Because them know them thing.
I doubt it.
Them believe it in the bush doctor.
Yeah, but there's some things that require
Medical.
a doctor,
Yeah.
a real doctor. Medical, antibiotics.
But you know, say in ancient Egypt, we invent antibiotics. The bush doctor, them know of use them.
Right.
But you think them always have pretty rum when you're around them. Them kill the virus, them. That's why them use
I
rum.
have knowledge of certain things. I know certain things to put together
Yeah.
to get myself to better. Just like how we knew that the Cersei and the King of the Forest would work. That was his idea. He went and got it, get the juice out of it and rub me down. And within an hour, you see everything start disappearing from off the body. That quick.
Topical treatment.
Topical treatment. But internally, I guess it's the part where you say you are
Well, that is why you see the blood purifier I bring. You see if you have that around you. So we are the bush doctor. You see that blood purifier there?
Which one is it? The circular one?
You love them
The
crackers. Eh?
neighbor?
Wait,
Never tired.
never tired roots.
That one?
No, there's another one, another red.
This one? No,
No roots.
colon kind.
I think that's the third buckle to the back. That one there.
This one?
Right there. Yeah, man, like that.
Prostate.
A prostate?
Yeah.
A prostate?
No, prostate.
A prostate.
Prostate,
Oh,
yeah.
the wrong thing.
Panic.
Well, the wrong thing to pick up, but still, you can't prevent it. So, picker, I'm here for drink this. Let me see it, please. I'll give you half. Picker this. Some people have prostate cancer. And then drink this. It shrink them prostate. Them drink this and the capsule what we have. 2-3 buckle of this. Go back a doctor. Doctor say, what you do? What you do? 50 years in the making. So we have a one thing. So we're not on the blood purifier. So even without prostate.
Blood purifier is there.
Yeah, seriously.
This is the small bottle.
Oh,
This is where the small bottles.
okay.
Queen, alright, people, you see this picker? You see how she did have the bumps them? The topical, remember I said Angelina would have clean with outside and inside. This purify the blood.
Okay.
Sometimes, you drink 1/4 this a year. Get all it, you lose all the chin. This shrink the blood size. Your blood count is the same all year round. The blood either fat or it marker.
You see?
This reduce the blood size to smaller.
Blood purifier.
And it take all the toxins out of the body. So first you have to clean your blood, you have to clean your colon, you have to clean your liver and your kidney with the busy Vera cleanse. The Nona detox now increase the immune system. This is the great reset.
So you drink this once a year?
No, you can
How
drink
much
it
is that?
every 4 months. This now if you read it, read it for me.
I can't see without my glasses.
Take 22 ounces daily before breakfast.
Yeah.
Too late.
Well, nobody there going home.
Go for your phone and scan the, you see when you scan the barcode, yeah, so it give you the video. Yeah, scan the barcode. yeah, so.
Indeed.
Fancy stuff.
Hey, Jamaica Health Box.
Do everything top notch, right?
It goes straight to the website.
You can make a health box.
There's a page for show you the description about it, right?
Wow. Cleanse and purges the blood cells and vessels from harmful toxins and free radicals. Increases oxygen flow throughout the body. Remove plaques and heavy buildup on the walls of blood vessels. Widens arteries. Lowers cholesterol. Reduces sugar in the blood. Treats pimples, liver spots, eczema, acne, and replenishes skin tissues. You should have gotten this.
That's what King of the Forest
We're
does?
going back to him. You see, this has multiple. Look on the, read the ingredients then.
The ingredients are aloe vera, chickweed, bitterwood, wood chip, cheney root, burdock root, neem, dandelion root.
Good stuff. Neem.
No cream on the person.
Neem is very bitter. Stayed in the pot for a month.
I train my kids to drink neem and Cersei.
Yeah.
Aloe.
My daughter loves Cersei. Love Cersei. Yeah.
This is neat. Love it.
Love it. Now, check out the, which one we are going to scan next. Circulation tonic.
It's
So-
in a small bottle as well.
So, my brother, this is my gift, me and you, prostate tonic. It a go. Every morning, read the direction from this one, please, man. Every morning, we drink it before.
All I see is never tired and covered.
You don't see it in a small bottle like this?
Bring the colon.
It's the same thing.
Oh, it's
And this one says covered.
colon cleanser. Is that what you wanted?
Mm-hmm.
Colon cleanser.
Yeah. Scan the bar.
Hold on, I'm doing that. The ingredients for prostate is in these directions.
Never tired.
Ingredients: red watercress. Where's the watercress you picked up?
Oh, here.
Guinea hen,
We call it watergrass.
purple
It's watercress.
extract. Can't read it.
Okay, that one there I can redesign the
It's
label.
hard. Yeah, hard. to
What is
read.
this good for?
Let's see what this is.
You did a video before with someone.
Watercress.
Cress.
Cell
I
rejuvenate.
never this watergrass.
This a,
I never this one.
No,
No.
a the real thing. This a water grass.
We watergrass. This.
That no grow with water run.
Right.
Oh, so that's not watercress.
No.
It's just watergrass.
Water grass.
Okay.
Similar.
Watercress grow in the
In
water.
water. No,
Okay.
that is
Yeah.
that is where you drink every day. You'll never get cancer.
Alright, I can mess with it.
Cell
I
rejuvenator.
have
That.
the powder one.
You see watercress, my brother. You see watercress and susumba and Cersei. And like you say, king of the forest. Don't mix them. Don't mix your herbs. Because anytime you mix things, it's a chemical reaction. And you're not a chemist. You don't know how much to mix with how much. A lot of times people get eaten out. And if you're ulcer, cause the amount of alkaline or acid we are going in the stomach, you don't know if you measure it. But one herb know what to do. And only the master herbalist that mix Guinean weed, donkey weed, chickweed, mahogany with it, and then for the but you have to know what you do. It's like you can't go take any mushroom yourself. So what people start doing,
That I will never
them
do.
start go out the road, take a herb and say, yeah man, me good. But them actually kill themselves because them are no chemists. Then you hear them start burp and them get well, because they herb. You know.
Destroy the inside.
Yes. So you have to no boil it, boil the water, put it in the water. Don't boil the herb with the fire. Boil the water.
Okay,
Wash the
and dry
herb
it.
and put it in. Don't boil herbs.
We call it draw.
Yeah, seep it. Because what you're doing now, mud it. You see me, you don't want to put no mud in it. Yeah. You see what I say? You see how you steam this? And it still have the crunch?
Can drink the water too.
Which one you wanted me to
This is good.
scan?
I'm scanning the barcode for the prostate. You know why whenever we design the label, I talk to him.
Prostate tonic. Shrink enlarged prostate treats prostate cancer and other bladder and urinary issues. Support reproductive health. So women can drink it too. Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't give you the ingredients. Maybe you should put the ingredients on here. So, because the ingredients are hard to.
Yeah, we're going to redesign the label. So this is what people are using over the world now to help themselves. Jamaica Health Box now make it simple. This is, look how me look. You see my chin gone
Yeah, I noticed.
and my belly gone.
Yeah.
I just the starter box me use with the blood purifier. And I lose 10 pounds. I used to be 240, can't move. Cause my blood cell them did thick. And then I have toxins. So 45 years worth of toxins, you know, gone away.
5 years in Babylon.
You see me? Now gone away. Now the reason why you slim is because you go to the farm every day. So the toxin comes through your skin. When we were at Babylon, we had the treadmill. So if you not breathe through your skin, and on your nose you breathe through, not through your skin. So you are breathe through your skin. So you healthy because you walk to the farm. You do working on the farm, so you sweat. A lot of people don't like sweat. You see, if you don't sweat, you don't breathe. And the sweat now get rid of the toxins in the blood. So people will stop sweating. So some people like to sit down in Atlanta and nah sweat. You see me?
I wonder who matter.
You know that, but nobody else.
That's true. Just to go from point A to point B, then jump in a car.
Hey, some people have big car with big tire and big house.
And big
And
like
everywhere
the
them
car.
I go, I carry them in with their
And
family.
then big like the house and the car.
We not go stand nobody.
That's true. You have to do criticize truthfully for some people to take it seriously.
So when I was big on Swati, I didn't know. So I had to learn. Because I was developing pre-diabetes. I'm a walk around Jamaica and you see how me did name I do video. You know, see how the other YouTubers them get fat? Rice, dumpling, chicken, fried food, and all of them I get fat. And that didn't happen to me. And when I know some start get the pre-diabetes, I say, forget this damn Jamaica good life, me I get sick. That's when you see me stop filming fried food and you stop see me do them things.
Yeah, I saw it.
You see what I see? Everybody used to rush me and say, Randy Cravey, you see? Randy Cravey, you see?
Yeah, you used to say. Yeah.
You saw me to go Baba, what Baba used to do?
Cook.
I'm going to turn the camera up on the plate and everybody want to come Jamaica. But now,
I used to go in the kitchen and cook fried plantain.
we'll lose the
Dumpling.
cow, I will choose the Pop Joe. So
That's a good one.
t-shirt I go make. I could make a t-shirt before them.
Lose the
Jamaica
cow.
good life. Yes.
JamaicaHealthBox.com. We lose the cow and choose the Pop Joe. Yeah. Cause pure hormone problem in the cow.
Yeah, the animal, not just the cow.
You ready for the ingredients for the prostate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's red watergrass, purslane,
Yeah.
guinea hen, and pumpkin extract.
Okay.
Cow-foot leaf, which I've never seen. Black cumin seed extract.
This is on the website?
I took a picture and
Zoom in.
Say that one again, the last one.
black cumin,
Cumin?
which is what's in curry, right?
Yeah, Oh,
Seeds extract.
it's like the turmeric family.
Right.
Yeah.
That is good.
So now endorse it.
That is good stuff right there.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
And when it's a pumpkin seed extract. Read it.
And,
So how you extract the pumpkin seed?
Them apply.
apply pressure and get
Yeah, man.
do some kind of.
And put it through a press.
You think they roast it first?
No, them not no heat.
They don't
This is
have
like
any.
cold pressed coconut oil.
Oh, okay. You have,
press
to have
it.
you have to have a certain machine for
Yeah.
it.
So that's a lot
No
of
heat.
pumpkin seed
Seed,
to use
yeah.
to get that.
Yeah, man.
But you can get it easily. You see when we plant pumpkin, you know how much pumpkin there? And that one little place right over there.
That
So.
is true.
Yeah, it's easy to get. Look how much seed is in there.
Yeah,
So
man.
we keep these in the fridge
Mm-hmm.
because we're gonna replant them. We're gonna sow them again.
I'm going to pick out no Carlo.
No,
Them have wild color. It's a-
yeah, wild color. You must go up the road. You'll see a lot of things. So we save this for
It's
harvest
still very
time.
quiet around here.
Yeah, it's gonna remain that way all day. All day. Only certain time a certain time of year,
Mm-hmm.
you hear certain birds make certain noise. Yeah.
So do you do your sorrel when it dry?
No, I can boil it today. I haven't seen paper bag in a long time. I'm not throwing away this enough. Use it to light fire.
You haven't seen paper bag in a long time.
Really?
In Jamaica.
Anywhere. Nowhere. Everything is plastic.
Oh, what Guinean with in a bag? I don't want you wear so. How is it? Pass the bag, let me see. How is it?
What you looking for?
I want to know how I'm going to get this.
Yeah.
So where you get bag from?
No, at the Guinean we bring this one
And this for tea.
yeah.
We're going to put Guinean with.
That's Guinean. Cersei.
I want to go get them here this morning.
No, this was always here. We just get these this morning.
It's a king of the forest.
Yeah, the lemongrass. So when you get up a morning time, whatever tea you want, you just go in at the
See,
back.
I'm not the only one.
You love your herbs.
Yes. And this bag is a perfect bag for it.
So two and a twin. You find your match.
Yes. Stay right between the fridge.
So I'm going to drink some of the blood purifier. I'm going to have some noni detox if I look out the cold enough.
And this is in that bottle is Janko Bati.
Which bottle?
This one.
This, are you a make rum?
I'll make it.
Are you a make rum?
No, we get it from Monimus from Clarendon.
What you say?
My brother come and bring it. I have a brother
We have got taste, you know.
He have a house in Clarendon.
That twice as powerful as the rum, right?
It was toxic.
I eat them used to make
Use it and sap my body.
So you have Jancrobati so in this your house. Yeah?
Yeah, it's always here. Every Easter me get a bucket full.
And
it lasts
tell me
throughout the year.
that I lick Mr. Lowe's head. He must sneak out in the night. So you not drink that by the flask.
No, you know I've been there since April.
It's dangerous.
What? It's strong, man. I'm like him more through water, but it's strong.
Yeah, a true man. True thing. More water is stronger again. No, I don't even drink it. Once in a blue.
Want a tablespoon for taste. A teaspoon. We never taste it yet.
You never tasted it?
Put some a teaspoon
Now
now.
I'll give you the bottle and you throw it where you want.
Just get a teaspoon.
A teaspoon. What about a shot glass?
No, sir.
Come on, take a shot. Enough of it.
So
Everywhere I travel, I bring back one.
So today we're going to trot through and I'm going to show the area. I'm going to get some rum, some cup.
Today Friday,
I forgot what day today.
Yeah.
I need to go to Port Antonio.
Alright, I'm going to go Port Antonio go buy some rum, some Pepsi. We get the igloo, some ice. I'm going to go with the floor. We might be able to touch some beach. We're on an underclothes swimsuit. Because I'm always ready, you know. I always have on my shorts ready.
Yeah, I need to do some business transaction at the ATM.
Okay. John Crobatted, Rotted. Jamaica good life, Cynthia. Boy, I'll that eat the plastic too, you know.
You should transfer it into a
Buckle.
buckle.
You know, say a plastic and drunk about I drink. This one, hey, stop it.
That little bit?
That is it.
When you get
You
a
know
touch
I
on
know.
that,
Tips on your finger. Drink
You
some
know
of
I
the
know
thing,
that.
man. Drink some of the thing. Drink some of the thing.
It's not bad like what I'm saying.
You want to put water in
It
it?
sneaks up on you. It's not something that when you drink.
No.
I'm medicine, you know? I'm medicine. The plastic can't hurt it.
tastes like cursing.
Right. Tastes like cursing oil. Then you know we burn down the place. If we light fire, right?
Jamaica, if we never drink drunk about it yet, Angela introduced it to us. No make no police come my yard, but
Police come out here and drink it.
they will come find you. Somebody watch you on YouTube and say you have the thing.
Yeah.
Kind hard to find, right?
Huh?
It's illegal.
No.
So-
Drink about it now.
I mean, it's hard to find.
Mm-mm.
So this is
It's
like
popular in Clarendon.
this is like whiskey. This is like the old fashioned moonshine.
Yes.
So this is Jamaica moonshine. Right in. I don't like how it, Mr. Lewis here turned me into a remedy now.
Want some syrup?
No man, we go. Yeah. Light up the whole house. And that's just one sip. This coming like the one. How much proof this? 200 proof?
240.
Already pinky. You know how they make whiskey? They make certain rum, certain drinks with. There's another one where 120.
That's where nephew?
No, there's one in. But they used to kill the COVID virus in New York. But this, no sir, I'm going to save this for the whole trip.
That will kill more than COVID.
I have to go mix it now and bottle by itself. And put a lizard tail in it.
You choose it?
It's still man.
So if you fill this glass with water, it tastes the same way. Put some Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life. Hanging out with the Lewis family. We're going to Port Antonio. And definitely, what's the name of the famous beach? Winifred?
Yeah.
I want to see it. Every day for me is the end. And there's no tomorrow. Right, Pika? Look good. So you have enough pear tree. Yeah. Now we're going to take a left. So I'm going to the beach just like this, you know. So this is Windsor Forest. Come up this far?
Yeah.
So you walk on neighborhood already?
You met his parents?
You met the parents already? What's your mother's name? Is Cherry?
No, Mama.
Mama.
Mama and Grandpa. Mama and Grandpa.
This true.
We went up there for morning.
Okay.
Miss Rasta.
Alright.
Freddie. And Miss a pig over here, so.
Up on the banana with big.
Freddie, auntie,
I'll pick up place this.
Oh, the rooster fat.
See this one right
So the pig live at the forest. Yeah, the forest where we pick.
Okay. So basically, boy, dog luck already this morning. Boy, life is happening around here, Mr. Lewis.
that woman died.
See, pick up parents here.
Okay. I forgot to meet them when I come. I still not deal with them. Pick a real countryman, man. But I want the Ricky Ping I go on here, son. There's two dog like this, sir.
It's late in the season.
I two dog like in a one day.
See our dog them here with the green?
The two with the green are them are the leader of the pack. King! Where King there? See King there, so cut over him eye, King. King and Lion run the crew them. So this is Windsor Forest. Right?
Yeah, so where's Marsha's bar right there?
No, fruit on the left, the blue and white building.
I'm a bun.
Right here is market.
Okay. Wasn't on the map yet. It's not on the map yet.
It used to be.
A little community.
Yeah, love it.
And this is Mr. Brown bar. This is where we hang out sometimes.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Brown, that's
Okay. This is the real country of Jamaica, experiencing the real country. Got that beautiful yard, man. My boss swing. Oh, that's peace and tranquility. You know these people here? Pick out who them people are. People, when I look on the best Jamaica has to offer, you're in Windsor Forest on Jamaica Good Life. Who that? Hello, culture just passed, sir. You're in Jamaica Good Life, where Louis culture is the musician around here. This is Windsor Forest. Yes, sir. Windsor Forest. It's Jamaica Good Life YouTube. We got to know. If you have any problems with the law, then I'm going to see your face.
Not a problem with the law.
Aye.
Go on. Go on that. Where I go?
How far?
40?
Yeah. Forward. Squeeze in.
Forward.
Squeeze in. No, the other side.
Come on.
No, make it squeeze in.
There, man. Let's see how straight that is now. By YouTube.
Yes, we know, say you don't pick up, man. So this is Windsor Forest, brother.
Huh?
This is Windsor Forest.
Yeah.
What is great about this place?
One of the nicest places. River, fruits and them things there.
Okay.
You come to them places and you want to go back, man. I come to them places and come like say, you're there at home.
Okay.
You there where God live.
Yeah, then see how here God born, you know?
Okay. So the farming, you do the farming?
Yeah, my father is a farmer. I do it, you know, I do farming, but most livestock I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you, sir. What's your name?
Good morning.
I'm Randy.
Some people call me Blacks, sometimes Dunga.
Okay,
I
Blacks.
call him Dunga.
Yeah.
Every bad man and a community name Blacks, you know.
well, that one ain't no bad man. One a good Samaritan.
Good
you know?
Blacks.
And is this what you're talking
That's
about?
Commodore,
That's
yeah.
Commodore.
A Commodore.
Right, that's what I was telling you. Don't turn.
Okay. Alright, flip 'em around. So this is Windsor Forest, people. Them say I got born up here, so.
That's where the culture come from. Man.
Yeah, so Louis culture. Them just passed me.
Yeah.
Look at this. Let me check the view. Jamaica, you never see. This never up on YouTube ever, right? And me are the first one ever do it. Jamaica, I'm gonna stop John Plum around this so. Yeah man, and me are the first. All of the YouTuber. Now me first go someplace in a right picker. And me are the first one go non-such, right?
Yeah, the first one, but not factory.
Yeah. And first we go Weber. And first now Then we got born Windsor Forest. Respect to the kingdom. Yes, yes. Yeah, I have to make your head hang out of the window and not pick it. I have to make the people them see it before nobody hurt me. You know, once the cameraman get jiggy. Windsor Forest. So this is a little bar. So the place nice, man. So when war broke out, how it is, normal? It's not a war place. Food and things about the place, so where there's food, there's life, no war. Yes. So the people
Okay, so you said Lancel?
Further down.
Lana sell.
Over 5 million.
So blacks, how old are you? So you have family and thing, youths? Good. Wife? Good. This is a good place.
So this is where you thought we were?
Yes.
This is where you thought we were? Is this a high school? So that's the sign.
We were at the sign.
So when we see the sign, did the GPS reach yet? The GPS never reached the high school yet.
No, it's saying it was going to go.
So wait there. Was the GPS gonna take us the right way? Up here?
Straight, yeah.
Right, Queen?
Yeah, the GPS was going to take us up here, but we stopped down there.
Okay.
So when you say you pass the school,
Oh,
right.
sorry.
To your left, you're gonna come up to the gate of the school.
Because we're wondering where's the high school. We
Right
see.
here. Right here is the
And there's the sign we see.
right. See the school?
See the school there.
Right. See a Prospect High.
There's a gated community opposite you guys, right? Nearby.
Straight ahead in front.
That's what my friend always said. There's a view over there, it's amazing. So now, blacks, what's the best river in Portland for you? Eh, Reach Falls.
Yeah.
The Christmas River.
Some people call it Long Water.
Long water.
Yeah, four puppies over around the Common River.
Eh,
Look, nice water around here.
yeah. So people want to come Google the high school. It is Windsor Forest. It's Fair Prospect High School. You take a right and go to the high school. I just Google Windsor Forest. Let me see how that bad up. Now, this is Port Antonio. Right down there, sir.
Right over here.
Lana Syria, sir.
Yeah.
They know I'm a sign, I remember. You have the connection.
Yes.
How much acres?
Quarter acre for 10 million.
Quarter acre for 10 million. You look on about 80,000 US. Right? Or 60,000 US. People, link me link you with the lady if you get the number. Alright. But if you're not a VIP member, don't even call. Forward! Yes! This is Port Antonio. This is Randy Jamaica with life. And we found a new place in Jamaica called Windsor Forest. I approve it for everyone to come and buy land and live. We have a friend and family now. So Jamaica, we lose the cow and choose the pop shop. So we had blacks in the car, a man called Picker and Queen Angela. That's it. So we're going to go to Port Antonio. We're going to check out probably Winifred Bridge. And we're going to buy some food to eat, get some saltfish. this area. Okay.
Portland is a very popular place where people go outside and make it. I have to come back in.
Yeah, yeah. The road fixed no, all the way to the road about what? 1/8 of the road now. I remember the last time I did forward. Now, walk on there, so no fish, no cast. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now as far as the food place, what the best we hear about Boston jerk a lot, but when you say Mickey jerks better, you have some cash, we're gonna try out the jerk, right? You have to try it on the way back. I'm gonna get some cash, So I have to try out the jerk, right?
Of course.
So which one do you think better, Boston or Mickey?
Mickey has simplest of us.
At the same place.
I prefer Sealy jerk.
You prefer who?
Sealy.
Sealy? So Sealy open today? So Sealy now open today.
Maybe somebody else that did it before.
So I want to bring me to the best jerk pot, but I'm going to sample Boston.
Is there a history of Boston jerk chicken? Is there a history of Boston?
Yeah, man, yeah. The first one, man. Right?
We in the house, Boston now.
Them take debit card. Them should. Yeah, man, car tourists go there. They must take debit card. But we're going to taste them, we're going to sample them thing. Because when we watch a YouTube video, them tell me, say, there's another spot. Sorry. Look on the scenery, people. Look on the beach. Portland. So blacks, when you say Portland, where the Portland, what does that mean to the public?
Portland,
Yeah.
nicest place.
Hey, no, that's what I mean, blacks. Tell the truth.
You know, sometimes.
Like when the cocaine come in.
That's how Portland, yeah.
Tell the truth, Louis, how the gun come?
Most likely we say coke, not guns.
Coke, not guns.
The guns are occupied.
So we don't know. I'm not cocaine there, Portland. No. Them just share it out in a mug here.
It's like opening car, Portland need the money.
Okay. That's why it's so peaceful, because them say you don't do nothing in your backyard. People are well taken care of. That's why they keep quiet to them. Them say Portland with the boat land. That don't mean boat.
You're on there for line and down.
Mind your business and shut it mouth. So that means that the boat land here so they can't fix the road, is it? Cha-cha. I'm going to talk to the boatman them and I say, hey, Randy say, yo, boatman, when you come calm for your interview, you know, I watch the program, you know, I'm Mr. Randy, you know, and I move through the place, but him right. How we do the thing every day and every night, I look on the road, him right. And I just saw the boat land and look on the road, eh? No, big man.
Well, I just that area now, you know.
Just a little area.
Because that area more narrow, so them left here so feel last.
Okay,
And not only that, the trees prevent the sun from drying up the road.
got it.
Yeah, they need to cut down a lot of these trees so the sun can come in
Got it.
and the road can stay fixed. And when the rain, it cycles and it don't get to dry up.
Got it. That is it. when the river come down.
A river runs through it.
Black.
Pipe burst, you know.
Pipe burst or something. So when river come down, you don't have problem.
On your road?
Yeah. When I use a Portland and send me a contact. This is East Portland.
We have a lot of hills.
$10 million for that lot there. You can't start that business right there, so right?
Yeah, that's on the
Well, Blacks, thank you for joining us on the adventure.
Yes, sir.
One day maybe we come on your yard for dinner. Check your fridge. What you cook the best? What is your thing?
Actually, you know, sir. Alright. I don't really have a favorite food, but I like seafood.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you do the steamed fish and what you do?
Steam, fry, anyway we get it. Like seafood.
I forgot about
Yeah.
Blacks yard, you know.
Actually, almost eat everything.
Okay. Alright. So I forgot. I'll buy some fish and Blacks.
house building.
Now I have to make you famous in the Blacks so people check you. But I always find good people and put them out there because Jamaicans abroad want friends here. And when we find them, that's when my program, them love my program because everybody will link them with. You see, I see later, sir. See later, sir.
Pass up the other day, you know.
It open.
On your right coming up is Boston Beach.
Boston Beach.
Yeah, I've been there.
And this is Boston Beach.
Yep, been there.
That is you have to pay for your tea?
I don't think so. Not what. Well,
This is what?
I've eaten there as well.
York Center right
Yep.
there. That's what I buy.
This is more and taste the book for freedom. And I want to eat here in the book. I want to hear me. What the? Boston. The famous place there.
Anywhere.
Nice. For sale, see that boom. And find them I go buy some up there. Blacks, just to introduce myself, I'm Randy Pottinger. You know, them call me Randy, the girl, them Candid. Right?
Definitely have a Friday and follow and subscribe.
Jamaica good life. See for sale there. My fans, boom. I don't have to worry. Spending the money. See that business done already. Hello? Yo, we've been doing this for 20 years promoting Jamaica. Marcus get everything. Now we see the people and I try to take with things. So I take up my life and put up my camera and try to show Jamaica say it's positive. So every time you see on YouTube who I get killed, me I show the other side. Who I live. So them I show who I dead, me I show who I live. You see me? Has to be a balance. Yeah? Change and balance are the only truth in the universe. How do you teach that? Yeah? So the change have to happen, the balance have to come. This is it. So I'm glad to meet you, know. I'm love the place, I'm love the vibe. I'm going to bring people back. You know, there's so much for sale we see already. You know how much people are going to buy a house after that video here. Because Blacks, so I tell them to do the end of it, you know.
Yeah.
Look how that house that is nice.
Yep.
So do you know good builders, Black, now talk no teeth in people?
Of course.
Look at. What you call that here?
There's a build up community.
What you call this?
There's a fears.
Fair Hill Scheme?
Fury Hill.
Fairy Hill. So look what is fixing. So one of your favorite spot in Portland, pick out our Blacks, our Queen.
Yeah.
them at Windsor Forest, they don't let
Windsor Forest is one of the liveliest communities out there.
Because the sound system always up at 20.
Yeah, one of the liveliest places.
So party tonight.
Yeah.
So people come from far for come there?
Of course. It's the only community who can link any hours, you know. No violence, no.
No violence, no police, no bother, no. No playing the
Police
music.
pass through with them regular patrol and they work. You know. Activities always are gone.
Forest of a place. Yes. This is the entrance to Winford Beach. Down there. Look on the little side. The big foundation.
You don't want to film no one there.
Oh. Yeah, you popped up the side. Oh, you can Google it now. Right? You can stay there. Apartments, villa. Beautiful. How much per night? That's an Airbnb down here. This road just recently fixed. Yeah. Watch yourself now. So we're looking at Zion Hill. Check out the town center. How much for them selling coconut? Natty, how much for each coconut? Natty.
How much for the coconut? How much for the coconut?
Jelly or coconut?
Huh?
You want jelly?
Jelly.
$200.
200.
Alright, let me get one, please. Easy upon the herb right now, upon the grabber. Do the thing fast and quick. Chinese the thing. I see you know, Natty. Portland, you know. Don't disappoint me. I could see how it tastes if it's sweet. If it's not sweet, it's free, no.
Well, they never told me that when they took them from the tree.
You're foreign, I know.
No man, I was born Jamaica.
Yeah, you approve. Approve, I'll give it 2.
Eh?
2. So people, this is Portland. And thank you, Angela, Blocks, and Picker. I don't know about coconut man. What is your name? Same name?
King.
King.
I'm a king.
Yeah, okay.
My kingship is not to be on a throne, but to be among white people, sharing and whatever. That's how I feel from everything, you know.
You plant the coconut or you pick it from other people farm?
I buy them.
You buy them and sell them.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice to meet you.
One love.
You are king.
Thanks.
Give me 100 now and just kill him money.
Pardon me?
Give me 100 and just kill him 5 now. I can't go so.
You know, you don't really go so much. I'm going to try this thing.
Yeah.
We not go shot you. Pick we shot you, but me not go shot you. Me go tip you too.
Alright, see you balance.
Well, just kill that one and give it to you now.
Not try mad the man.
After, how much sale you get from one? How much you get from one?
This is coconut. This is you don't want this, right?
Yeah. We just want to support him. When hopefully when I bring her to Captain Jack, I introduce him to some big coconut. I must say we are capture on there. So what? So good life. This is Randy again, living the good life with the Lewis family. from Windsor Forest to Port Antonio. You've seen a part of Jamaica you've never seen before. Blacks is in the car and he's a seafood man. So hopefully we can get some fish and Blacks will fry. Escovitch, Blacks? Onion what? Or you set it? Onion.
A black cookie, you know.
A whole cookie.
Black cookie.
I'm wife.
Sometime, man.
And the wife.
Your mother.
Oi!
Yeah, mommy cook sometimes, father cook sometimes, but me cook sometimes too.
So family. It seems like Windsor Forest is all about family.
It's all about family.
People stay at them yard till them hold with them people.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Anybody wake up, you never see really somebody come out of the forest and left back here too. Them go work, and after they go work at this side of the yard, they now leave back again. People take you in and they home just like that, like a family.
So Windsor Forest is a family affair.
Yeah.
So that is why I pick a family, mother and father live close. And close to, okay.
You know, there's no Levi Island right next to
Right next to them. So the elders them not gonna hold home.
No, sir. Not around here.
That is beautiful. That is how life should be. Enough elders have people to talk to, right?
Yes.
So how old is your mother, Picker? And your father? Wow, you have to go meet them when you come. And what about your mother, Blacks?
Well, my father 82, my mother 67.
So they all grew up together?
Yeah.
Your parents and your parents know each other?
Yeah, everybody know each other.
Your father robbed the cradle.
So let me ask you, they're healthy because of non-fertilizer, or why are them so healthy and them live well? Fresh air. See far sail people.
That's pollution.
There's pollution.
Fresh air.
Fresh air every day.
Coming up on your right, you're going to see a lagoon. Tropical lagoon. This is where we had our wedding reception.
Tropical lagoon
Yes.
up there.
We had a good time.
It's beautiful up there.
Yes. Yeah, that's where
So down here, Blue Lagoon,
You can drive through there if you want to.
right, that's up.
yeah, you can go down in there.
Well, sometimes they back up with car.
Not today.
Me did go there now, so I'll go there and throw quick into the water.
No, thank you.
Yes, you're going in.
No, they're working.
No, no, you what?
Yes.
Yeah, me must meet you already, one. Brother, a Sansan, welcome to
you were talking
Sansan.
about.
So what is Sansan, the beach?
Yeah.
It's a villa. People look here, so. I don't just say work, Blacks. So we don't have to pay for going.
That's right. You don't have money to have. You don't pay for going in. It's free.
It's free. Blue Lagoon is one of my favorite places in Jamaica, you know. I'm just
You ever
recently.
go to the mineral down here?
Monkey
No.
Island.
No, we have a mineral around here. Around the back.
Yeah.
Water comes straight from Blue Mountain.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Lord. Wash off the heart.
There's some people out there, I'm getting contract and I'm Chinese. Ma'am, where's your helmet? Where's your helmet there? Now get your helmet.
Right.
Get our helmet, Wayne.
And there's a Monkey Island bar.
Oh, yeah. I need to ask
Look,
you
look on the plug she have in her hand. I tell her to go on.
Where's your helmet?
Why the bar down?
Because you have to build up a wall.
Oh.
So you have to get the roof from.
Yeah, look, the Monkey Island is nice.
Monkey Island?
Where is it?
Wait there.
The sun over there white, right? The part for
It's a beach.
It's part of the lagoon.
So we go all the way down and cut the trench.
It's not a church, it's not a church, you know.
Where am I cut?
I never go out. Cable, yeah.
Oh, they're putting the light, the white
Cable,
wire
yeah,
underneath.
cable.
Okay.
For fiber cable for internet?
Yeah.
It's a land for sale there. Now rich Jamaicans abroad remember this. Spend all of the money, buy property, leave it to the people and develop. Now you know what? It don't make no sense you left dead your money. You left your money dead. Dead left your money. You know what I'm saying? And then you know buy up them land here. 20 years from now you can't sell it back for enough more money, you know? And around tourist area. So your great grandchildren can build up the business. You know, supply up the business and we can do it. So another
For sale. Oh, it's Friday.
house what I do.
Nursery.
Plant nursery. Want to visit that. So how much you pay for the drive to come through blocks for you reach a port? I see. What that? Up there, sir?
Yeah.
What's G-Jam? Eh?
A hotel.
A hotel? It's a nice hotel. Okay. Lots of teacher things. Give thanks, Natasha. Give thanks, Natasha, you know, she take care of me. Tell everybody, you know,
Big
Natasha.
up yourself, Natasha.
Jamaica life very easy, you know. But Natasha handle me. So we start with one jerk pan and consistency. And Angela, why you don't open up Angela jerk pans, man? You get tired in the morning, you know. Alright, mama, you can run the street today.
What's this to work at Raymond?
Yes, I get Mockingbird.
Up here?
Yeah.
There's an estate up there.
Great Mockingbird. Yeah. Thanks for the tour, guys. It's nice to discover new places in Jamaica. Now, what is this White House here?
Jamaica Palace.
Is that a place you can stay?
Yeah, like all that.
Okay. Jamaica Palace.
reminds you of when you were little.
And the road is much better.
And the road is much better.
So, tell me to put the road on. I'm going to put the road now. So, when you come back from vacation, you stay at the farm, see yourself. You get a vacation spot near Blue. You just explore it. And the road is better now. Going to Blue.
Alligator head.
Alligator, it's a water sport.
Famous Trident Hotel, right?
Just Trident Hotel.
Yes, that's Trident Hotel. That's where Beyonce stay when her and Jay-Z come down.
Oh, really? So me can't afford it.
It's 500 US a night.
For only a night, man, go beg them for a free night.
I wash it.
I wash plates. Alright, Trident Hotel. The view is spectacular.
Oh yeah. It's better inside.
For sale, you see that people.
Another Marcel.
Dolphin Bay.
Dolphin Bay. Jamaicans better go to all the for sale, act on it. Get a good lawyer. We have a good lawyer in the family. So, we're not doing the right. Do things the right way. Don't get no sale from no family. Work for real estate, right?
Lawyer. Yeah, real estate and lawyer.
Yeah. You like me driving, Angela?
Yes, sir.
You're not too rough with it. I told them going in the car. Pekka. Everybody easy and relax. Living the good life. Enough roast bread for what? Color the one onion and scallion. You don't have onion and scallion in the yard?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more.
Well, we can get some more too. And also get some things too. And all of it, you know?
Yeah, fresh season never.
You know? Salt mackerel, we love it. Banana, hot the palm tree. Oh no, go back in the banana.
This is Dolphin Bay.
Dolphin Bay.
There's only one YouTuber that I know out here. Her name is Mixed Beauty Mel. They have a restaurant coming up when you're going into Port Antonio.
Okay. You like Portland, Natasha?
I love it.
Where you
Just
go?
like what Dranko said when he came through Portland on a school trip or whatever. You know, mind you, I was living in Monterey Bay, and I came through Portland on a school trip, and I was like, I love it up here. This is where I want to live in Jamaica.
This is where you want to live?
This is where I wanted to live back then. But then, you know, I got plucked out of Jamaica and went to New York.
Okay.
But I've always, you know, loved Portland. I've always sent my clients to come and visit and vacation in Portland. I used to send them either to Portland or Negril. drive to Portland, to Port Antonio, just to see it and come back. It's just untouched, you know?
Most beautiful parish in Jamaica. So we're gonna take one day and just drive.
Number one crime-free parish in Jamaica.
Oh no. Alright with that.
Yeah.
So I take a day for drive. True. You're good with that, Pika? You know, I see the place, you know.
Drive up and down the hills and stuff. Drive through the mountains. Welcome to Port Antonio.
People living up and said Everton anti-work at the market. Rest in peace, Everton. Might go to the grave.
There's a marina around here somewhere, isn't there? This is where I met Fire.
Let me just come stay here first. I'm staying at the garrison, you know. Right, Johnny has somewhere, man. That's one. Like said, this you stay around it.
Yeah, man. When I pass, I guess there.
Right near the craft market. Across from the local lane. You know Everton, get up at Rastaman. Them shoot him about a year ago. But not but around here, some know around here, so I think I took this some of this stay or another lane. This is how I used to walk around. So them have breadfruit queen. I'll go get two breadfruit.
That's up here, so now we got to the cabin.
To the park with the dog them. And the craft market there, so.
Yeah, my friend restaurant where we took for that.
So what bank we going? Where I drop your blocks? Nice, you like it?
Look at those pretty white clothes hanging to dry.
taxi man them fussy.
There's free Wi-Fi in the town?
I think so, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
See that? Free Wi-Fi.
Ready?
It is out the free Wi-Fi.
I saw when they was building it.
Indian
It's
nice
just
like
built.
that. Nice.
To your left, Randy, the in the town hotel. Brand new.
In the town.
Nice.
No parking anytime. I'm gonna go with my chopper livestock, I'm gonna ask them for a free room. Now Piggy Jerk Center good too. You know Piggy sell jerk chicken? They don't sell Piggy's not sell pork. Meat that's already. Piggy's Jerk Center and have chicken himself.
Hey.
Him have good chicken man.
Nobody call me Piggy. Pig nose. You don't care what my nose look like, and you don't call me no pig. That me say. You never do? Make you wish you ate a pig.
I gotta cut this for a second. Hello. Hi. Hey. I'm good. How are you? No, it's not. No. Oh no, I'm in a car full of people, so I didn't want to talk too loud. Mm-mm. No, what's going on?
Well, you never get the phone. I'm
Mm-hmm.